Hi guys, nice to see you again. I'm doing good today, so hopefully you're doing great today. So today we're going to go ahead and do a wear test review. We're actually going to go ahead, I did go ahead and get in the mail the Superstay foundation from Maybelline, so hopefully this will be a good one. I actually got 3 shades. Fair Porcelain, which is 102, and Golden is 312, and Sun Beige is 310. I just love these bubbles. They're just so fun. I already did my eyebrows and put on my eyelashes, and I had a little bit of eyeshadow, something very natural. I cleaned my face. I used some cleansing water, which is this one, and just a cotton pad just to clean my face. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish doing that because I did have some fallout from the eyeshadow, so I'm going to go ahead and clean that up. I heard it's super full coverage, medium to full coverage. Well, I guess there's no medium because it's very full coverage from what I've heard. I heard it does last a very long time on your face. This is supposed to last 24 hours. I mean, really, no one's gonna really wear their foundation for 24 hours at least. No, let me take that back. There was a time in my life where I would go out every single day, Monday through the following Monday. I would go out with my friends. I would get ready like at 8, 9 o'clock. I'll be ready. I'll be gone by the house like at 10. And sometimes I wouldn't even come home till like the following day at 7 o'clock in the morning. So not 24 hours, but definitely I had long nights. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I am gonna go ahead and use a moisturizer. I like to use, again, the CeraVe. Now normally sometimes I do go ahead and use a primer when I do review a foundation, but I feel it's only fair to use a primer since you would normally use a primer for any other foundation. Why not use a primer for this foundation? So the primer I'm going to be using, again, it's the Smashbox. This is one of my favorite ones, so we can go ahead and use this one. Just a little bit goes a long way. I just use it and the areas where I get the most shine. And this actually minimizes your pores too, so to go ahead and use this, I did go ahead and clean it so it's clean. I'm not a dirty bitch, okay? So it's clean. I'm gonna go ahead and mix all of these 3 foundations. So the Sun Beige, Fair Porcelain, and the Golden, just to get my perfect shade and see if that works for me. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's Golden right here, Sun Beige, and Fair Porcelain. Right, that light one right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix these. Perfect shade. Brush. My left side would be with the brush, and my right side would be with the sponge. And then okay, so this is how it applied with the brush. I'm going to go ahead and do a second layer and just see how that looks. So I'm actually going to go ahead and go in for it. So that's that. Okay, goes in very nicely with the second layer. It actually goes feels really good. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do it with the Real Techniques sponge and see how that goes. Okay, so off the bat, I can already tell you that the sponge does go ahead and soak up most of the product. So it looks like I'm gonna have to get a little bit more. And I don't really like how it is applying, which is so weird because this is the only way I usually like to apply my foundation. Yeah. And it doesn't really feel like it covered much with the sponge. So we're gonna go ahead and do a second layer and see how that looks. Okay, so this is the full, and actually, you know what? There's more bouncing to it. You have to actually take more time with the application, but I actually like the way it does look. It looks really nice with the sponge. So that's just the way it looks. I do look a little ghostly because of the light, and this is how it looks. Thing I do want to go ahead and say, it does feel very matte, like a powdery finish. So this is very matte, which I love matte foundations. I'm an oily bitch, so hey. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish my makeup, and then I'll be back. Hi guys, so I'm back. So hopefully you guys did go ahead and like this review. I am going to be coming back on later on today to let you know how the foundation is wearing and how it's holding, and if it's keeping up with me. Again, like I said, I do have an oily face. I do live in California, and I believe it's raining. 70 degrees and it's cloudy. It sounds like it's raining, but I guess, well, that's good. We need the rain. And again, thank you for watching. So hopefully you guys have liked this, and if you guys can like, comment, and hit the button, you guys are more than welcome to leave me comments. I highly recommend, if you guys are able to leave any comments, leave me some comments. I will go through them. I'll start doing shout outs for any of those who do leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the bell for future notifications on my channel, and I will give you guys shout outs for that, and thank you. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm here for the follow-up for the check-in. It is 10:10. Oops. So far it looks good. I honestly feel like the longer you have it on, the better it looks. I'm looking in the mirror and it honestly looks better than when I just first apply it on. So I would highly recommend this foundation. 2 thumbs up. I wish that next time, you know, I can find my color. We didn't have my color this time, but hopefully next time they do. So yeah, I'm drinking Starbucks. I'm sorry. I'm drinking Starbucks. Yes, it's 10:10 p.m. and I'm drinking Starbucks. It's just how I need my coffee right now. I'm gonna have a long night, I think, so I'm gonna need my coffee. So hopefully you guys do like this video and enjoyed it. If you guys can comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the bell, I would really appreciate that. And again, thank you for watching, and you guys have an amazing rest of the night.